Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about significance of mitosis, modifications of mitosis and significance of meiosis. Very first, significance of mitosis. The development of an organism occurs by mitosis only. Every organism starts its life from a single cell called zygote. Repeated mitosis in zygote leads to the formation of whole body of an organism. Development of every organism occurs by mitosis only. Every organism starts its life from a single cell called zygote. The repeated mitosis in zygote leads to the formation of entire body of an organism. The growth of multicellular organisms is due to mitosis only. The growth of multicellular organisms is due to mitotic divisions of their cells only. Cell growth results in disturbing the ratio between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. It therefore becomes essential for the cell divide to restore the nucleocytoplasmic ratio. A very significant contribution of mitosis is cell repair. The cells of the upper layer of the epidermis, cells of the lining of the gut, and blood cells are being constantly replaced. Mitosis plays an important and significant role in cell repair. Generally, the upper layer of the epidermis, cells of the lining of the gut, and blood cells are constantly replaced by mitotic divisions only. Mitotic division in meristematic tissues, particularly the apical and the lateral cambium, result in a continuous growth of plant throughout their life. Generally, mitotic divisions in meristematic tissues, particularly apical and lateral cambium, results continuous growth in plants. Modifications of mitosis. Very first one, free nuclear division. Karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, as a result of which multinucleated condition arises. During mitotic division, after karyokinesis, if there is no cytokinesis, means the cell will be in multinucleated condition. This type of division is called free nuclear division. The second one, endomitosis. This is the duplication of chromosomes without division of nucleus. Endomitosis leads to polyploidy, which means increase in number of set of chromosomes. Colchicine induces polyploidy in plants. Colchicine is a mitotic poison as it arrests the formation of spindle fibers. Endomitosis. If in case duplication of chromosomes will occur without division of nucleus is called endomitosis. Endomitosis results to form polyploid condition, which means increase in number of chromosomes without nuclear division, without cell division. Artificially, colchicine is the chemical which induces polyploidy in plants. Colchicine is mitotic poison which arrests the spindle fibers during metaphase of cell division. Endoreduplication. Endoreduplication is a modification of endomitosis. The polytene chromosomes are formed by the process of endoreduplication. In endoreduplication, the chromatids replicate but do not get separated. This process is known as polyteny. Endoreduplication is the modification of endomitosis. Due to this, cell forms polytene chromosomes. In endoreduplication, chromatids replicate but do not get separated from chromosome. This process is called endoreduplication. Endoreduplication leads to form polytene chromosomes, and this process is called polyteny. Significance of meiosis. Meiosis is the mechanism by which conservation of specific chromosome number of each species is achieved across generations in sexually reproducing organisms, even though the process results in a reduction of chromosome number by half. Meiosis is the mechanism which helps in the conservation of specific chromosome number of each species is achieved across generations in sexually reproducing organisms, even though the process results in reduction of chromosome number by half. It is also increases the genetic variability in the population of organisms from one generation to next. Variations are very important for the process of evolution. Meiosis increases the genetic variability in the population of organisms from one generation to next generation. These variations comes by crossing over or recombination in packaging stage of prophase 1 of meiosis 1. Variations are very important things for the process of evolution. Thus, meiosis plays an important role in variations and evolution process. Up to here, the chapter cell cycle and cell division was completed. In next video, I will start the new chapter. Thank you very much.